Mag-ingay tayo, mag-ingay tayo.
Counting, salta.
Hello, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Welcome to my shop. Today, we are making this cabinet for Lboxxes, for Bosch Lboxxes. It houses 3 Lboxxes of 3 different sizes, ranging from the large, the medium to the small ones. And we'll be building it together with Miss Mima Barreto of Ashiko, and we'll be using the plywood of San Mateo from Filtra. We wish to thank Bosch Philippines, most especially, for ever supporting the community. Thank you very much. We start by laying out the pieces to be cut, and the plans are available and will be posted together with this video. We then cut the plywood pieces using the Bosch track saw. This system is unbeatable when dealing with sheet. It's so easy to use, very accurate, and very portable for contractors to use. Then on the side pieces, we cut a recess on the lower portion so that we could form the feet of the cabinet. We are using the Bosch 18-volt cordless jigsaw on this one. We then start adding pocket holes on the pieces because this will be the main joinery of this build. We cut spacers from waste plywood. This will serve as spacers so we could align the shelves on both sides of the cabinet. using heavy-duty full extension drawer slides because we expect the things we put on the toolboxes are heavy. Adding hardwood to the drawer sides strengthen it for the extensions to mount on. This is very important. Then add a piece at the back. This will act as a stop for the Lboxxes and prevent it from moving. When installing the back cover, give the lower portion a gap of 1 inch at the bottom. This allows your cart access to it. When I install drawer faces, I use cards, playing cards, so that I can control the gap that I want at the bottom and on the sides. And finally, we have the Lboxx Caddy complete. We hope you had fun and we hope you enjoyed the video. Till next time. Thank you for joining the show. Please join us also at www.cab1net.com and please stay tuned for our next online woodworking class with our surprise guest. Thank you again. We hope to see you again soon. Hi, I am Sunny Limhap and you are in my shop. Hi, welcome to my shop. Welcome to my shop. Hi, welcome to my shop. We would like to thank everybody who supports us and continue to support the community for whatever.
Clap. Ano yan? Hindi ko nakuhanan.
Rolling ako.
You could also join us at www.cab1net.com for more info. And please stay tuned for our next woodworking class. Our next visitor or guest woodworker would be Mr. Chisel.
Hi, welcome to Chisel Wood Shop. Hindi nga totoo to.
Totoo yun.
Sabihin ko.
Hindi naman siya dinig eh, di ba?
Dinig.
Dinig ba?